Bright Direction Training's 11 years old, nearly 11 years old. We're a training company based in Bolton, but we operate in various regions: North West, West Yorkshire, South Yorkshire, West Midlands. We deliver two different types of training, sort of bridging the employment gap from the unemployed to the employed. So at one end of that scale, we do security, retail, construction, those kind of short courses that get people promptly into work. And on the other half of that side, we do leadership and management at various levels, 3 and 5 generally speaking. In terms of people, we've got 13 people, full-time staff at the moment, growing all the time. We're currently recruiting for another 2. We also have freelance tutors, and we've got about 15 of those, depending where we're working and what topic we're using.
Previous challenges was developing the business and growing, and staff training also as well. So we've got new staff and we're trying to train them on our current systems, which was about 5 different systems. It was really confusing. We just needed to centralise everything into one spot. So Hubspot has been a great help so far.
The problems we had in the business in terms of systems were the fact there were several systems. The main one was spreadsheets, which had the data integrity issues, and I didn't feel we were using the data we had effectively. I could see marketing is becoming more and more of an agenda item for us because it's so valuable, and we weren't utilising that. So that was one of the big things. The other thing was we had multi-systems, so we have probably 5 or 6 different other independent systems. We have one for funding specifically for the government. We have the spreadsheets for one thing, we have different spreadsheets for another thing, and there was no communication between those. So we were getting to a position where the volume of data we were processing on a monthly basis didn't allow me to take any valuable sort of insight from, which I felt was a bit tragic. So it was, okay, that was building and building and building to the point where I thought, if we don't do something about this now, then we're going to be in trouble further down the line. And we were bidding for more contracts, so we needed that structure and that sort of infrastructure, I should say, to progress. So I first discovered Axon Garside when I came across to your offices. You were recommended by Michelle, our marketing manager, and I had a meeting with Jack and Ian. And I had no intention whatsoever of buying Hubspot or anything from Axon Garside, any marketing. It was purely a fact-finding mission for us. And I loved Ian's values and I loved the business, and I sort of fell in love with it there and was convinced that this was maybe something we should look at.
The first time meeting Bright Direction Training was great. I could tell that Jamie, the managing director there, had a real vision for the business. It was quite apparent as well that when he came in that he wasn't looking to buy something, but here we are today working together. They came in initially to discuss the prospect of using marketing automation software, but didn't necessarily realise the full value that Hubspot could bring to their business, not only from a marketing perspective, but also in how it could help them service their customers more effectively and also streamline their internal processes as well.